Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and as I said in the Sunday video, I will have for this week the subscription boxes. They just started to show up. So the first one I got this month is the Birchbox for February. Usually it's the Macy, but that one is on the way too. So this is the Birchbox for February, and let's go ahead and see what we get this month. As usual, it comes with the card, and we have here follow your heart. This is the theme of the month, and we get as usual 5 products. And let's go ahead. The box looks like this inside. So the first thing I see here, and I'm glad for, is the Good Genes, is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It's not big, it's just a small sample. And about this one, they say the full size of this one is 105, so it's not cheap at all. It says this best-selling high-potency lactic acid treatment exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, evens out hyperpigmentation, and boosts your skin's glow factor. So this is a good one. I'm always happy to get a product from Sunday Riley, and they usually come very often. The next item in here, it's from the Beauty Crop. It's Wing Woman, and this is an eyeliner. And let's go ahead and see how this one looks. And about this one in full size, I believe this is a full size. It's $17.50, and it says this easy to apply liquid liner will become your new best friend. Use the budge-proof pen applicator to trace precisely along with lash line or to create a more dramatic winged look. So this is the eyeliner. If I'm able to open this. Okay, finally. So the tip looks like this. It's a very black color. So yeah, we'll see how this one works. The next product in here is this guys from DOUCCE. I don't know exactly how you pronounce this. And this is the Luscious Lip Stain in Steaming Red. And a full size of this is $28. It says paint your pout with this long-lasting saturating shade of deep rose that glides on smoothly, leaving a matte finish. Just one swipe instantly transforms your look from day to night. So let's see. The color is very pigmented, so it looks like this, and it's a small size, but for me it's gonna last forever. Then the last 2 items in here, it's a shampoo and also a conditioner too, is Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender, the shampoo. It's a good size. And then same thing, the conditioner. And about those, I never heard about this brand, Love Beauty and Planet. It's it says here smooth and serene argan oil and lavender shampoo. A full size is $9 each. Show your strands some love with this color safe, paraben and silicone free shampoo that gently cleans while smoothing strands, plus the delightful French lavender scent. This is the scent for the shampoo. And then for the conditioner, smooth and serene argan oil lavender conditioner, full size $9 infused with nourishing argan oil and organic coconut oil. This paraben and silicone free conditioner fights frizz and detangles. After shampooing, apply to wet hair from mid-lengths to ends, then rinse. So yeah, those two. I know there is another box which will send this month a pair of this. I don't know if it's exactly this brand or not, but I think Glossy Box will have a shampoo and a conditioner too. So this is all in the Birchbox what I got. If you have the Birchbox subscription, let me know what do you have in your box. I think there are different. They have the curated box, and also you can choose a sample. I don't actually, yeah, I choose the Sandy Ridley in my box. So yeah, that's all for this Birchbox month. The shampoo and conditioner, the DOUCCE, this is a lip stain, we have the eyeliner, and we have the Good Genes lactic acid treatment. So far I like everything in this box. There are months when I don't, but this one works for at least for the price we pay. Let me know what do you think about this month. I'm gonna see you again with another unboxing probably tomorrow, because I have more boxes on the way, including the Glossy Box, the Macy's bag, the Ipsy, and some more, and some new kits from QVC and things like that. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not aware of that, I have a giveaway open. If you want to enter, just check the box below. I'll leave the link there. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again very soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.